Are you looking for the best AIO coolers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best AIO coolers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. CORSAIR iCUE H100i Elite LCD. The CORSAIR iCUE H100i Elite LCD is a premium 240mm all-in-one liquid CPU cooler that combines high-performance cooling with vibrant RGB lighting and a customizable 2.1 IPS LCD display. The LCD screen, 480 by 480 resolution, 24-bit color, 16.7 million colors, 600 candelas per square meter brightness, allows you to showcase CPU temperature, fan speeds, custom GIFs, images, or logos, adding a striking aesthetic to your system. It comes with two 120mm CORSAIR ML RGB Elite fans with AirGuide technology, capable of PWM control from 450 to 2000 revolutions per minute, and a high-performance pump head encircled by 24 individually addressable RGB LEDs. The cooler includes a CORSAIR iCUE Commander core controller for precise fan and lighting management, while the split-flow copper cold plate and high-density micro-skived fin stack deliver efficient cooling under all loads. iCUE software enables real-time monitoring, fan and pump adjustments, and full RGB synchronization across iCUE-compatible devices. 0 RPM fan mode and variable pump speed reduce noise during light loads, though some reviews note that under full load, noise levels are higher than simpler AIOs. Ideal for users seeking both strong cooling performance and a visually customizable build, the H100i Elite LCD requires a compatible case for 240mm radiators, sufficient clearance for the pump head, and a willingness to use the iCUE software to manage its extensive features. Number 2. NZXT Kraken 240 RGB. The NZXT Kraken 240 RGB is a 240mm all-in-one liquid CPU cooler that combines solid cooling performance with a customizable 1.54 square LCD display and RGB lighting. The LCD screen, 240 by 240 resolution, 300 candelas per square meter brightness, 30 Hz refresh rate, allows users to showcase custom images, animated GIFs, real-time PC performance metrics, or music information through the NZXT CAM software. It features a high-performance Acetec pump capable of up to 2,800 revolutions per minute for efficient coolant circulation and comes with two F120 RGB core fans with fluid dynamic bearings, offering strong airflow, 78.86 CFM, and static pressure for effective CPU cooling. The cooler supports easy installation via a single breakout cable and is compatible with most modern Intel and AMD sockets. While its cooling performance is very good for a 240mm radiator, the LCD size is smaller than some high-end alternatives, and software reliability can occasionally be inconsistent. Ideal for users seeking both effective CPU cooling and visually striking customization, the Kraken 240 RGB requires a compatible case for 240mm radiators, adequate clearance for the pump head, and use of NZXT CAM software to manage the display, fan curves, and RGB features. Number 3. Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 ARGB is a high-performance 360mm all-in-one liquid CPU cooler designed for demanding desktop builds. It features a 38mm thick radiator paired with three P12 Pro 120mm fans capable of up to 3,000 revolutions per minute, along with an integrated PWM-controlled VRM fan to cool motherboard voltage regulators, ensuring reliable performance under heavy loads. The cooler includes Arctic's native offset mounting and a contact frame for Intel LGA 1851/LGA 1700 sockets, optimizing heat transfer and CPU lifespan. Its cable management is streamlined, with fan PWM cables integrated into the sleeve tubing, leaving only a single visible connection to the motherboard. Reviewers praised the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 for exceptional cooling performance and value, noting it can handle high-end CPUs with ease, though installation on Intel systems may require extra steps compared to standard AIOs. This cooler is ideal for users seeking maximum cooling efficiency and quiet operation without the need for integrated display screens or RGB-heavy aesthetics. Number 4. Arctic Liquid AIO CPU Cooler. The Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 is a high-performance 360mm all-in-one liquid CPU cooler designed for desktops and gaming systems, featuring a 38mm thick radiator with 3 P12 Pro 120mm fans capable of up to 3,000 revolutions per minute. It includes an integrated PWM-controlled VRM fan to cool motherboard voltage regulators and a specialized contact frame for Intel LGA 1851/LGA 1700, as well as AMD AM5/AM4 sockets, optimizing heat transfer and extending CPU lifespan. The cooler also utilizes native offset mounting to center the cold plate over CPU hotspots for more efficient cooling. Cable management is streamlined with the PWM cables of the radiator fans integrated into the sleeve tubing, leaving only a single visible connection to the motherboard. Reviews praise the Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 for exceptional thermal performance and quiet operation under load, though installation on Intel platforms can be more involved due to the required contact frame setup. This cooler is ideal for users seeking maximum cooling efficiency, robust performance, and clean aesthetics without additional RGB or display features. Number 5. Cooler Master MasterLiquid 240L Core. The Cooler Master MasterLiquid 240L Core is a 240mm all-in-one liquid CPU cooler designed to deliver efficient cooling performance with a clean, minimalist design. It features a Gen S dual-chamber pump with a copper cold plate base for precise heat targeting, two 120mm PWM fans with optimized blade design for improved airflow and reduced turbulence, and comes with premium cryo-fused thermal paste offering 14W/MK conductivity for stable temperature management. The cooler also includes ARGB lighting with a frosted blade design for vibrant, customizable illumination. Reviews highlight its strong thermal performance, straightforward installation, and good value for its price, though under sustained heavy loads the noise level can become noticeable. Compatible with modern AMD AM5/AM4 and Intel LGA 1700 and 1200 sockets, the MasterLiquid 240L Core is ideal for users seeking a reliable, aesthetically pleasing 240mm AIO cooler that balances performance, value, and customization.